Good morning, amazing artists. It's great to see you. What we're going to focus on today are the primary colors. These are three very, very important colors that we use in art all of the time. And I'm going to explain a little bit about why they are so important. The first thing is we need to know what are the three primary colors. I have a hint right here. Do you know what they are? All right, so it's yellow, red, and blue. Those are the three primary colors. If you look next to what I just pointed at, this is called a color wheel, and we're focusing on the main triangle right here. So again, yellow, we've got our red, and then we also have our blue. Now the question is, why are they so important? They're so important because we use those colors to make other colors. And later on in the school year, we will be painting, but right now we will be just using crayons, okay? But I do want to explain how they're made. So if I take yellow and blue and I mix them together, they make the color green. If I take red and blue, anybody know what color that makes? Purple, there you go. And finally, if I was to take yellow and red, who knows the answer? Yep, it is orange. So the primary colors make other colors, and that's why they are really important to us. So what we're going to do is we are going to get our primary colors in crayon or marker, whatever you have at home, okay? I'll be using crayons today. I'm also taking a black crayon, and that's going to be what I draw with. If you're not comfortable with drawing with crayon first or marker, you can use a pencil. That is totally fine. And because these are all circles, it kind of reminds me of a caterpillar. Just does, because it's the shape. So today we're going to make primary colored caterpillars. We are going to draw and connect 6 circles. So we have our paper right here. All right, I'm going to move it up just a little bit so it's a little bit easier for me to draw. All right, and I'm going to make the head of the caterpillar. And then I am going to make some more, at least 6 circles. Ooh, my caterpillar's looking good. Right now I'm missing the colors and also the details. So I'm going to use the primary colors to color it in, and then I will also add details such as I could do antenna, and those are just 2 lines, and some feet, which are also lines. It's really cool that we can make almost all of our artwork out of lines and shapes, and then we get to add some color to it. Then I also need to add a face. Your caterpillar could be happy. Your caterpillar could be sleepy. It's really up to you. Whatever face, again, using just circles at first, and mine with a big smile. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my primary colors in a pattern. So I'm going to go yellow, red, blue. Yellow, red, blue. You don't have to do it in that order, but you want to make sure that you're using all 3 of the primary colors because that's the purpose of this project. And when I color, I usually go little small circles around. I just have more control over it, okay? And let's say I colored that all the way in. I'm going to take the rest of my time using those small circles. I don't want to scribble scrabble to color in. Once I do all of that and it's completed, I have my happy primary colored caterpillar. So again, let's name the primary colors. We've got yellow, blue, and red. Love it. Next week, or next time we have art, we will be focusing on different types of lines, but we will also be coming back to the primary colors. Thank you, and I can't wait to see what you create.